start. So students, please take out your book and go to page number 10. Today we will revision, because you know that I have already told that from tomorrow. Yes, Rijuan. Now I think you be happy now. Yes. Thank you, Srijan. Okay. Now, page number 10, we will just revise our lessons for our assessment. Page number 10. Go to page number 10 from your book. You can see this more and less. And as you know already that what is more and less, that is we have already division about this countable and non-countable, you know. So why you have do this, that those things we are able to count them by with the number, they are countable. Okay, like one dog, two dogs, one horse, two horses, like this. So these are countable. And what is uncountable? You have already learned. Those are we are not able to count with the numbers, like liquids, like water, and the gases we are not able to count. So these things are uncountable. Okay. So first you can see the number page number 10, that these are the pins or nails. First, I hope we are able to count these things. We are able to count these things. So first, you should count how many nails are here, or you can say these pins, how many pins are here. So first, left side, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Left side, 16 pins are here, and the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pins are there. So which one is the more, or which groups are less? Can you identify? Obviously, you can. Yes, Srijan. On our left hand, that is more, and the right side is less. So A, you should write down A on the box, that is more, and you should write down B in the box right side, and that is less. Yes, Shamantak, very good. A is more and B is less. Very good. Now, so all of you requested, please mute your calls. All the students, please mute your calls. Yes, O3, your answer also correct. So go to page number 11. Shwam Prabhu, what you have written? 69B. Please check it. So next, go to page number 11. So there is, you can see this countable or uncountable. What I have told now, that is here is uncountable. But here you can see these salt in both the plates. So which one is more and which one is less? Those things we are not able to count with the numbers. That things are called uncountable. And as you know, these are the you can see this salt or water or gases. That things we are not able to count with the numbers. Here is also, so we can measure this quantity with the quantity. So which plate the quantity is more? That is right side. Yes. Yes. So B. I am doing on the board. You will do in your book. So right side is B is more and A is less. Or you can write in the box only M for more and the left side L for less, like this. Yes, Oshmita Bhavak, Rudradita also, very good. And the next one, you can see so many people are there, and which one is more? Obviously, right side, so many peoples are there, so many crowded over there, so we are not able to count them. So these are right side is more, that is B, and left side A, that is less. Yes, Shamantak also written, very good. A is less and B is more, very good. Now go to page number 12. Next page. Go to next page, page number 12. Today's topic is revision. Now here is the equal number. You have already learnt about this equal, not equal. These things we have already learnt. So here now the identify equal number and the quantities and the tick in the correct box. So first you can see these three questions are here. 1, 2 and 3. Three questions. 1, 2 and 3. First I am writing on the board A, B and C. So you can see first A, numbers, number of objects, both the sides. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These moons, half moons. And the right side, this is heart shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 in number. Very good. So both the sides are equal in number. Here is also 8 and right side also 8 objects are there. So both sides are equal. So first A is equal. Number A, that things is equal number of objects. Very good. So you can tick this because your question is quantity and the equal number, you can tick this. So just A, you can tick like this. Only tick on it. That is equal. Number A is equal. So next, quantity. You can see this is quantity. We cannot able these things. So which one is more and which one is less, that you can see. So it is not equal. It is not equal. Both sides are not equal because here is more things and small less things also. Yes, yes. And the last one, you can see both the bowl contains same thing, same quantity. So last one, number 3 also equal. Yes, Srijan. So number 3 also equal. So it is also, we are tick on it. So this is also equal. So A and C are equal and B is not equal. Yes, Otri, very good. Now go to page number 13. Page number 13. This is very easy for you. Count and tick. So first I am going to write on the board 6, 11 and 8. Count with me. First apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which one is the answer? Come on. Write through the chat box. Which one is the answer? Page number 13. Page number 13. Come on, write down. Page number 13. Count with me. And which one is the answer? Come on, anyone? First the apples. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now circle on it. Now next one. Yes. Very good. Now next one, 2, 5, 3. So 2 balloons are there. Very good. So 2, I'm circle on it. And the next one, rabbits. First 10, 7 and 9. How many rabbits are there? Yes, Shamantak, very good. Srijan, very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rabbits. Very good. Next, number D. Pencils. How many pencils are there? 1, 11 or 4? How many in number? Very good, Ashmita Babak. And Rudraditya, Shamantak, Priyam, Shastita, Srijan, Sreshta. Very good. 4. Next, E. Jokers. So, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so 3, 12 and 5. That is, answer is 5. Very nice. And next. Flowers. 2, 10 and 8. How many in number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, all of you. 8 in number. 8. 8 flowers are there. G. Yes, insects. How many? 6, 9 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 7. And the last one. Lock. Not key. Here is no key. Only locks are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 locks. Okay, so this page also we have completed. Go to next page. Go to next page. So it is here the compare with this match and pair with left on the right side. Okay, so first I'm going to do that. First I'm writing on the board these left numbers, left side. 10, 2, 7, 4, 1, 9, 5, 3, 8 and 6. And the right side objects I am just representing with A, B and C. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, now I am just doing comparison. First 10, number is 10. So you just check it out. Which objects in 10 in number? Come on, which one? Yes, very good. Very nice. So 10, C is 10 in number. That is whistles. Yes. Next, 2. 2, yes, 2 jeeps. 2 E. 2 E. Yes, very good. Now next 7. 7, which objects is 7 in number? Yes, very good. A. Yes, Rudraditya, Shamantak, Sanstita, very good. What is this? These are the capsicums. So 7 A. Capsicums are 7 in number. Next 4. 4. Yes, 4 F. Bicycles. 4 F. 1. It's very easy. Butterfly. 1 butterfly is there. So B. 1 B. Number 9. 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I got owls. I. 9 I. Owls. Next, number 5. Number 5. Yes, number 5. Come on, hurry up. 5. Yes, Oshmita. Very good. Bananas. So, 5 bananas. D. 3 leaves. 3 J, leaves. 8, flowers. 8 flowers. 8G. 3J, 8G. And the last one, 6. That is H, goats. H, 6, H. Okay? Yes, Shamantak, very good, 6H. So I'm just repeating 10C, 2E, 7A, 4F, 1B, 9I, 5D, 3J, 8G, 6H. Yes, 8G and 6H. Okay, so it is our today's class, and best of luck for your exam. Next day we will meet again in our another video. Till then, goodbye, tata.